Welcome back to Business Help. In this video, we're going to be going over the last part of our Excel's beginner tutorial. In this episode, we're going over how to print and how to format your printing here in Excel. So first off, let's go ahead and make sure, if you aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button if you like this video. And all right, let's get started here. So now that we have all our sheets made, our sheet 1 and then technically our sheet 2 here, but it says sheet 3 right now, we are going to go ahead and we're going to learn how to print these. So as you can see, it's not as easy as just to print here in Excel as you think it would be. There's ways you can move different parts around, make different things print, different things not print. So first off, we're going to go to Page Layout tab. And as you can see, now we got some print stuff here. So now we're going to go ahead, we're going to just highlight this first area. We're going to learn how to use the print area. So we're going to click the print area function, hit set print area. So now it's got this area set for printing. So now what happens if we want to add a break? Let's say we want this chart over here to be on a separate page. Let's just drag it down a little bit. So now I'm just going to go hit the breaks, insert new page break. We're going to do that real quick. We want it right here. Insert page break. Alright, so now it's got a break right here as well. Just shrink this so it fits it. You can see these little grid lines here. These are where our page breaks are going to be. So when you go hit your Control P button, we'll just show you real quick. Now all these are going to be on separate pages. We're going to go ahead and just enable print. We're going to Control P, print entire workbook. So now that's on one page. Profit, loss, revenues are all on separate pages. So that's one way to go ahead and do that. But here's what we're going to go ahead and, but I always like to use this. It makes it very easy to go ahead and break things out. But if you want to go ahead and turn off a print area, go into here. We're going to clear that print area. So now, as before, it showed 5 pages, but now we're going to show you real quick. It's only 4. It removed that blank page for us. So we remove that blank page, and now we can get to our printing. But now there's a couple other options here. Do we want our headings to print, and do we want grid lines to print? We're going to go ahead and print our grid lines. And we're going to make sure that's all everything's squared away. Besides that, we're going to actually go ahead and make a print titles. We're going to go ahead and right here, our print area. Shrink this a little bit. Go back and do print area. Right, our print titles. Print area will be right here. We'll set this. So our print area. Then we're going to go rows we want to repeat. We want the 2020 budget to repeat. And that's what we're going to do. Grid lines, and we're going to hit OK. So now we're going to just go make sure we re-clear this out down here. Print area, we're going to clear that print area. But now we can hit our Control P. And now we got our grid lines. It's got the title at the top. It's got title at the top still. Still good. We're going to move it down a little bit and head title at the top. But yeah. That's how you go in and set the print areas. Hope this video is helpful. And I hope that you liked the video. And if you did, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and also hit the like button. Thanks for watching and check out my future videos.